Welcome back to our channel. Today, let's explore the magic of self-discovery and personal growth. We are diving into a transformative topic: the power of positive self-talk. Think of your inner voice as a constant companion, whispering words that shape your perceptions, emotions, and ultimately, your reality. We often underestimate the impact of our internal dialogue, neglecting to realize its immense power to build us up or tear us down. So, how do we cultivate the habit of positive self-talk? Here are some powerful practices to transform your inner critic into your biggest cheerleader. Awareness is key. The first step is becoming aware of your dominant internal narrative. Pay attention to your thoughts throughout the day. Are they laced with self-doubt, negativity, and judgment? Notice the triggers that spark these negative patterns. Reframe, reframe, reframe. Once you identify a negative thought, challenge it. Don't let it fester and define your reality. Instead, consciously reframe it into a positive and empowering statement. Practice positive affirmations. Affirmations are like seeds you plant in your subconscious mind. Repeating positive statements about yourself like, "I am capable," "I am worthy," and "I am confident," can work wonders in shifting your self-perception and attracting positive experiences. Celebrate your victories, big and small. Acknowledging your achievements, no matter how seemingly insignificant, fuels your internal flame of self-belief. Did you ace that presentation? Celebrate. Did you finally conquer that challenging workout? Give yourself a pat on the back. Recognizing your progress, however small, reinforces your capacity for success. Surround yourself with positivity. The people you spend time with significantly influence your mindset. Choose to surround yourself with individuals who uplift, inspire, and believe in you. Their positive energy will become your own, creating a supportive and encouraging environment for personal growth. Remember, positive self-talk is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate even small shifts in your inner dialogue. There will be setbacks. Don't let occasional negative thoughts derail your progress. Acknowledge them, reframe them, and move forward with unwavering self-compassion. You are worthy of love, abundance, and success. Let your positive self-talk reflect this inherent worth, and watch your life transform before your eyes. Stay positive, stay empowered, and keep shining brightly.